thing, that is trust. That is trust. And I have already told the full form of trust. And the trust between the teacher and the student is one of the most and first and last duty of your life. There are many relations in the world, but the most important, purest and successful relation, that is the relation between a teacher and students. And if you think that I have got such a relation, such a pure relation, the teacher is not a teacher, he is my friend, he is my guide, he is my brother, he is my dada, whatever. You should always worship that teacher. Always respect these teachers. And God has already said this, that in this world, after the position of the God, there will be the position of every teachers. And then come our parents. Our parents, don't forget, our parents are the real teacher of our life. Whatever we have today, have achieved by God, only because of the contribution of our mother and father. So, I would like to say, all of you who have come here, my friends, my students, my sisters, my brothers, you are all for me. Don't forget, don't disrespect your parents. Always guide your parents, always hear or listen the advice. Never do anything that will hurt your parents. Whatever they are going to tell you to do that, just, okay, tell me mother, tell me father, I will do for you. Okay, so this is the role of our society, this is the role of our teachers. Because there is one saying in English that if the students cannot learn the way we teach, it is better we should change the way they learn. So, if anyone student is unable to take or unable to learn, we should not scold the student because it is not their fault. The real teacher, whoever the real teacher, is always corrects the fault of the students. He will never scold them, never disrespect them, because I personally believe that students are the messenger of God. Every teacher should respect also the students. Try to understand their life, their sorrows, their pains. Every teacher. The ideal teacher is one who always feels the condition of the students. They always give love, respect, only for their future development. That is called ideal teacher, effective teacher. And it is my dream also to become an effective teacher. Because I always, every second, every minute, I always think about all of you. About all of my students. Because I believe teaching is the only profession that creates all the profession in the world. Teaching is the only profession that creates all the profession of the world. Because without teaching, nobody can grow up in life. Nobody. Because it is the first, it is the last of your life. If you want to do something for your parents, for your family, you should always maintain one relation, that is the teacher and student. And if you think that I have got a friendly like a teacher, it is my friend, he is not my teacher, friend, guide, everybody, he always thinks about me, always calling me, always asking me about my problems, about my family, that is called real teacher, ideal teacher, effective teacher. So we should always try to make that relationship till death. That I have completed my education, I will forget the teacher. No, it is your sin. It is a great sin. You should not do this. You always maintain, you always respect that teacher for whom your life will be here. Don't forget the role of the teacher. If you forget, then you will be not called a student. Okay, so it is all our duty to respect that teacher, to respect the particular relationship. Then your life will be, fully flourishing. You will face never any problem. The time I have got my SEMSAR, I feel that I can do everything. Today, whatever I have achieved or I am achieving, I am on the way of learning. I am on the way of learning. I have not learned. I am now learning. Whatever I am learning, whatever I am achieving now, only for the SEMSARs. Because that man changed my life, changed my soul, my heart, my blood is always running for that man. Because I always have carried his photo in my money bag, in my diary, in my Facebook, in my WhatsApp, whatever. Because I believe that Guru, Gurudev, teacher, he is everything for me. He's got me. I always pray for him, for better life. Everybody teaches. Okay, whenever I think my day, my morning, my evening, my night, my afternoon, my noon, whatever time, begins with that man and ends with that man. That is my love, my respect for that particular teachers. So it is your duty. If you think that I have got a teacher like that kind of teachers, you should always make a relation. Don't disrespect for that particular man only for others, because they are not anything for you. The teacher is everything for you. If you think that yes, I have got great teachers, because teachers, I am today really proud that I have got an English subject. I have completed in English. That is why I have got a God-like figure, that is the SEMSARs. And the moment I have got my teachers, my SEMSARs, I am every day happy. Everybody is calling me that, why are you so happy? What is the secret of your happiness? What is your energy? I generally tell that because I love only one man. I respect only one man, and I always carry in my blood, in my whole body is made up of essential parts. That is why I am always energetic. You know all of my suffering, my struggle in my life. But today, I am happy always because I love, respect. My whole body is always calling SM. And it is my dream. I too want to become essentials. Whatever he has given me. Thank you so much, Sir SM sir. Thank you, Birbal sir also, one of the Gurudev. Apurva sir, one of the Gurudev for these three Gurudev I have got. I am very lucky. I am always thankful to God. Thank you God so much for sending these three messengers of God who have taught me how to deal with students, how to deal with the society, how to behave, how to respect the students. Because you are the here, that is the teachers here. Without you, there is no importance in any teacher. So I believe without student there will be no teachers. Without school there will be no teacher. So teachers should also respect the students. Students also respect the teachers. It is the role of our life. Then your life will be always free. You will never feel any pain or sorrow. If you think I am getting pain or sorrow, you just share your teachers, who is your not teachers, friend, dada. So you just share your everything, pains and sorrow. Then your life will be okay. And 4G, 5G, your life will be going on 5G.